Hey guys, so this is the cast iron pan. It's been in here for 24 hours. It's a vinegar and water solution, if you don't know. And let's see how it's doing. So I scraped it a little with a fork to see if it was breaking up at all. But I'm going to try scrubbing it. I got this from the dollar store. And I also got another one with a handle, but I don't know where it went. Oh, there it is. So this one's a little softer, but we'll see how it does. Oh, it's definitely taking a lot of the surface rust off. I also actually have another one that had a lot of black stuff on it. I just ran it in a self-clean cycle in my oven. So that one came out almost new. It's just got a little bit of rust on it. Let's see what this white stuff is. Seems to be coming off. It's quite the smell, that vinegar and water. Oh yeah, it's definitely cleaning up. Pretty good. Saving my hand. We'll see how this comes off. We might have to soak it longer. Wow. Now that is pretty amazing.
That's crazy.
If you go back to the other video and see how bad this was, I mean, it's still pretty bad, but I think a little more scrubbing, maybe a little more soaking, and it'll be good. But yeah, years and years in a junk pile. And one day of soaking in vinegar and water. And I'll grab that other pan to show you. This was actually found in the same pile. It has a cow on it. I don't know if you can see that. But pretty cool. And this one, I didn't really soak or anything. I think I'll just hit it with some steel wool. But we'll get back to you when we get to doing more. I'll probably let it soak overnight again. Possibly, I'm not sure. But please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.